Welcome to Mind Matters, because mind really matters. We're going to use a little bit of the concept-based teaching and learning that we apply here at school to guide you through a 10-day challenge of breathing and meditation techniques. So every day we will just give a few minutes of awareness on what we want to learn and what we want to explore that day. In this case, we're going to look at the word system. What is a system? A group of elements that use energy to work, right? So from a cell to the body-mind system, we could think of us as gaining energy from the universe, from different sources, different forms of energy in order to do actions, to perform actions. And then after that, after bringing the awareness to a concept, we will do a little bit of breathing and meditation. So 3 stages in meditation: the awareness stage, the analysis or abstraction, which we're doing now. We're bringing our awareness and we're doing a little bit of abstraction, and then we're going to do some action. That means we're going to actually breathe and meditate for 20 minutes every day for 10 days. And we will start exploring all these benefits that meditation has to our well-being and the way we perceive, the way we understand, and the actions that we take will improve with meditation. That is my hope. With that intention, we start today, the first day. So just bring your attention to the idea that we are a body-mind system. That means we are sitting surrounded by nature. I'm going to use ancient ideas, very simple ideas. Nature is made up of 5 elements. I am using here Sanskrit words for those of you that know Hindi or Sanskrit, because it is knowledge that comes from the science of yoga and Ayurveda and ancient Vedic knowledge from books like, in this case, Ashtavakra Gita or Patanjali Yoga Sutras. So nothing that I'm sharing with you is new. It's something that has been written thousands of years ago. Yes. So basically we are sitting on earth, right? The element earth that is present from where we eat our food, most of our food, also the element water. 60 to 70% of our body-mind system is made up of water. The cells in our body are 94% water, and the water is flowing through our body in the form of plasma in the circulatory system. The heat that we have in our body coming mainly from the digestive system, the transformation of chemical energy into heat, the element fire, first source of energy outside of the body and also inside of the body. There is a connection between the solar plexus and the sun. The air, we are like fishes in the ocean surrounded by air. And of course, 99.9% of the universe around us and also of every atom inside our body is made up of empty space. Akasha, the element Akasha. So this is the first meditation. We're going to just focus on the idea that we are a body-mind system surrounded by the 5 elements of nature. Okay, so let's start by learning the first technique. It's called Ujjay, Ujjay breath. Ujjay means victory, or Vijay in Hindi. Ujjay is a Sanskrit word again. It means victory over what? Over fear, over anxiety, over stress. It is a very powerful technique. It connects the mind to the body. It is the way that we have to anchor the mind to the body. The mind wants to wander around, wants to go to the past, to the future, have regrets about the past, have anxiety about the future. Ujjay brings us to the present moment. It is impossible to be breathing with Ujjay and planning or regretting or feeling stressed. So this is a very important technique. I will show you. It has a rhythm and it has a depth that is different to the normal breathing that we do. Even the normal breathing with awareness should be like this. Through the nostrils, You sit up tall. You can put your hands in your tummy to feel this. So when the air moves in, your tummy moves out. It gives room for the diaphragm to fall and the lungs to expand. This is how we breathe in. This was the first act of our lives. We inhaled, and then the tummy goes in, the diaphragm goes up, and the lungs exhale the air back to the atmosphere, right? That's normal breath. We do it with our nose, not with our mouth. And also, we do it with a smile on the face, just to tell the brain that we are happy. The brain does not distinguish between a real or a faked smile. So we smile while we breathe as a practice, always smiling. Okay? So I just want to show you to see if you can notice the difference between the normal breath, proper breath, and Ujjay breath. So proper breath, okay? Ujjay breath. I don't know if you can hear that, but I'm making the sound of the ocean. It is also called the oceanic breath because when you're breathing, you are creating that deep sound of the ocean. Like almost if you are about to snore, when you go to bed and you're about to fall asleep, you have this breath almost there, almost about to snore. And that's why. So how do we do this? Imagine I want to imagine I want to fog these glasses to clean them, right? If I want to clean my glasses, what I do is I bring my tongue, I relax my tongue closer to the back of the mouth, like that. And you can practice as you were fogging a glass. And now close your mouth and exhale through the nose. And now inhale through the nose. So you're making the sound that the ripples in the ocean do when they hit the shore, right? And you smile because you understand that you can be there by closing your eyes and making this sound. You can be sitting by the ocean, listening to the water hit the shore and move back again, right? That's called the Ujjay breath. And it goes in a rhythm of 4 inhalations, or 4 times for inhaling, 4 for retaining, and 6 for exhaling. The exhalation is always a little bit longer than the inhalation. So we're going to do this. We're going to sit up tall, comfortable. Make sure if you have a chair, you can sit on a chair. Make sure you take your shoes off. Sit up tall. If you sit on a yoga mat, it's even better. All these exercises are better if you do them on a yoga mat. Now I'm sitting on my desk here in front of the computer, so I just want to prove that this is something that you can do anywhere, in the office, at home, in between lessons, before you start the day. You just sit up tall, shake your hands a little bit. Remember, meditation is the journey from motion to stillness. So shake your hands as fast as you can. We're just going to do Ujjay, and then at some point, I am going to ask you to just relax and follow the instructions. Okay? So sit up tall, close your eyes, take a long, deep inhalation, exhale through the nostril with a smile. And now switch to Ujjayi breath. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Retain, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pause, 2. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Retain. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pause. 2. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Retain. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pause. 2. Continue. Retain. Exhale with Ujjay. Remember to smile. Inhale. Retain. Exhale. Pause. 2. Inhale. Retain. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Retain. Exhale. And relax. Keep your eyes closed. Keep a smile on your face. Just become aware of your body-mind system. Trillions of cells make your body. Each cell is made up of molecules of water mainly, atoms that we eat, that we breathe, oxygen that comes from the air. Inhale, fill your lungs with oxygen. Normal breath, not Ujjay breath, normal breath. Inhale and fill your lungs with oxygen and hold, hold. And slowly exhale with a smile, exhale. You know, 60% of the mass of your body is made of atoms of oxygen. Just in the air and the water molecules, oxygen is present. Just become aware of your connection between the body, the earth, the air, the oceans, the water around you. Keep your eyes closed. Normal breath in again. Exhale and relax. And take your attention to your stomach. When you relax, just let go. And now when you inhale, take your attention to your stomach. Bring your mind to your stomach. Become aware of what's happening in your stomach area. Maybe there's some food there being digested. Become aware of the heat that comes out of the body. Chemical energy is being transformed into heat. Your body radiates more heat per kilogram than the sun itself. More heat comes out of 1 kilogram of the body than out of 1 kilogram of the sun. Just become aware of the heat that you're radiating. The infrared rays that travel 10 times around the earth at the speed of light in 1 second. Heat that comes out of your body reaches the moon in 1 second. Relax. Just become aware of the connection between the body and the solar plexus, and between the solar plexus and the solar system. Inhale, exhale, relax. Now gently bring your attention up to your neck. Become aware of the space that is inside your neck. Pipes for the energy to flow in the form of food, sound, electricity that flows through the spinal cord, electromagnetic waves. Just become aware of all the energy that is flowing through your neck, and become aware of the fact that your neck is hollow and empty space. So wrap your mind around your neck and relax your neck. Inhale, take your attention to a tiny point inside your neck. Allow your neck to smile. And when you exhale, let go your attention in all directions. Relax your neck. Let go of all your efforts. Just become aware of the space element inside your body and all around your body. Take another long, deep inhalation. Take your attention to a tiny point in the center of your forehead, center of your brain, the pituitary gland, the command center of the body. Take your attention to that tiny point in the center of your brain and relax. Become aware of your thoughts. Don't fight against your thoughts, just let them be. Allow your brain to smile, expand your smile. Let your smile permeate to your brain. Relax, let go. So, space, air, fire, water, and earth. That's all there is around us. That's all there is inside of us. Just become aware of your connection between you and nature. You are one with nature. Relax your shoulders. Let go all your efforts. And now gently we're going to do 5 more Ujjay breaths. Remember, when you inhale with Ujjay, you make the Oceanic Breath. Make the air go through the top of your brain, back of your brain, back of your neck. Just feel the energy of the air embracing your whole body-mind system, giving energy to every corner of your body, taking oxygen to every cell that needs it. Now with Ujjay, inhale, hold, exhale. Pause, inhale, 2, 3, 4. Retain, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue. And when you complete the last round, you can keep your eyes closed. Go back to your normal breath. Just become aware of the state of your body, the state of your mind. And slowly, gradually, become aware of your body, surroundings. And slowly, with a smile, gently open your eyes. Okay, so here we are. This is the beginning of the journey. This was just a small sample of what the breath can do to our mind, to our body, how it can bring them together, and how it can bring stillness and peace to our lives. Very small sample today. I just wanted to say that by understanding the different layers in our existence and understanding the laws that govern these layers, the mind, the energy, the body, the matter that makes who we are, understanding more about these connections with nature will inevitably bring a sense of gratefulness to our lives. And when you feel grateful, when you feel gratitude, there is no room for stress, there is no room for complaint. So this is my aim, this is my intention for the next 9 days. Just do this once a day at least. It won't hurt, I promise. It is only win or win.